Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to my channel. And I have some more bags from the company WISKF. It's WISKF.com, and that is how you'll find them. I'll have them in the description also, and then I have a 5% off that it's good all the time. It's WISKF 0505 off. WISKF 05 OFF, I think. I'll have it in the description. I'll have it in the title too. It'll give you 5% more off. Honestly, the prices are so great. It's like you always are getting a sale already anyway. And when you buy more than one item now, they have a discount. So when you, if you buy a bag, for example, and you want to buy 3 or 4 so that you and your girlfriends have the same bag, you save something on buying 2 and 3 and like that. So Blue is right here, and I can't discourage him from getting out of my way. So let me show you what I have. So they sent me 5 pieces, and you know I'm going to have a giveaway. So that's on my own. This is, let's see, here is their regular bag that they are most quote unquote famous for. This is what they started out with, were bags like this. I just thought this was the cutest thing. It says, "Thank you for being a friend." And it's the Golden Girls ladies. And it does say the same thing on the back side as well. And it has this nice rope handles. And I've shown you all before, it's very well constructed. You know, there's double sewing and all, and very well constructed. And it's like a linen-like fabric. And this is about 15 inches this way and about 15 inches this way. And then the drop is about 12 inches, so it can go over your shoulder just fine. You know, if you want to hold something close to you. These are great for just tossing in the car. And when you go into the grocery store and buy a few things, or you go to the farmer's market or wherever you are, you can just take them out and use them. Because as we know, a lot of places are not giving the bags anymore. Whether they give plastic or paper, they don't want to do either anymore. Or if they do, they charge you like 10 cents a bag. So might as well have your own bags. So these are $5.99. And like I said, you do get discounts with buying more. And they always have a sale going on. They always have something going on. So that bag is their regular bag. And they have all kinds of prints and things like that. And I just had to show you this one because it was just adorable. They have Christmas, they have Halloween, they have all kinds of cartoon characters, and you know, just so many things, flowers and scripture, and I mean, just anything you can think of, really, anything that you like, you know. And this one, I know it's Christmas, but this is just adorable, the kittens for Christmas. And again, it's the same on the other side. And this is the standard bag. It's about 15 inches tall, and the width is about 15 inches. And it's very nicely crafted. Like I said, the handles are on there, very good and strong. So it can hold a lot of weight. And this, what I would do with something like this, it doesn't have to be a Christmas bag. Just like the other bag you could do. You can put your gifts in here. And then, I've shown you all before this as well. Put your gifts in there for the kids or whoever, and then tie the top. And then you've got a gift bag for $5.99. Something that they will reuse and reuse and reuse. So, and these are just great to keep in the car for shopping. So we'll put that one there. And then I have an apron. They have several different sizes of aprons. This is a bigger size, so this one is $7.99. And I just got it because it's so pretty. They have different sizes. Like I said, this one has a plastic backing to it. You can hear that. So that's going to keep you, now Smudge came up now. All right, Smudge, you'll have to sit. This will keep you, if it gets splattered, it'll keep food getting on you because it has that nice plastic backing. And this goes over your head, and if you have to adjust it, you know, you can tie a knot in it anywhere. Okay, Smudge, let me move back a little bit. Oh, goodness, y'all. Sorry about that. The chair. This one says blessed. And it is a big truck filled with vegetables. A big pickup truck filled with vegetables, and there's butterflies and watermelon and flowers, and it just says blessed on it. And it's a nice big apron. So it'll go over you here and cover nice while you're cooking, and it won't splatter. And it does have the nice ties that'll go behind your back. So it's a great apron, $7.99, y'all. All right, let me take it off. Whoops. And then I got a couple of different bags. They are starting to carry different types of things. I've shown you some different bags before, and I put them in giveaways, and now I have this for a giveaway. I took it out of the bag, but I haven't looked inside yet. This is like a fanny pack, and there's a nice zipper. The zipper works really well. It has a nice strap. This will go, it's adjustable, as you can see, very nicely adjustable, and it looks like leather here. You know, it's what do they call that? PUV, I forget what kind of leather, you know, it's not real leather, but this will turn. You clip that on there, clip it on the other side. This came in pink and blue. This is considered the pink one. The blue one would have more blue to it. And this is a fanny pack that you can put around your waist, or a lot of people are carrying the fanny packs nowadays over their shoulder, just like this. And then they keep this close to them, or they put it over, and then it's right in front of you. And so you can adjust this to fit, you know, over your shoulder. And then inside, it has a nice lining inside. So you can fit your wallet in there, or just some money and your ID, you know, your cell phone, just a couple little things, and you're gonna go shopping, like I said, you know, like to the farmer's market. Oh, I put that on the wrong thing. I put that on the zipper instead of, but anyway, you could clip in different places if you wanted to. So, but this will go, this will clip over to this side. Okay. Okay, smudge. And then these rings, it's nice because these clips, see how these are like a lobster claw. Okay, so, and then you just adjust it to fit. And this is really nice. And this will be the giveaway. Or you can pick this other bag. Now, not everybody's gonna like this other bag, but I just thought it was too cute for Mary Catherine Loves Cats to pass up. Okay, Smudge, you gonna sit? Okay, that's this bag. This says Lovely Cat. You can see there's glitter that moves around in there, and glittery ears. This comes in purple and it comes in pink. And this bag here is how you carry this. This is just for a child or for a little whimsy in your life, y'all. So we've got on the back a zipper and a mesh bag. You can put your pencils in there or something. Take this to school for your pencil case. This opens here. This is Velcro, easy to open. And there is a zippered pouch here. Let's see. Troublemaker's nearby. This has a zippered pouch. And that's nice. That Velcro's flat down. And then there is a zipper. This is really cute. It has a star pull. Super cute for a little girl. And inside it's got lots of room for lots of things. What do little girls carry? All kinds of things. Legos, their pencils, their little makeup, whatever they like. And they just have some fun stuff for Christmas and birthdays. And this little bag is $7.99. It comes in pink or purple. Did I tell you that this bag is $10.99? So it depends what you want. You could have either or, okay? And then what will go with the giveaway, I'm gonna put in this palette, and then I'll put you in some other things. But then I have this beautiful Colourpop palette, which will be perfect for summer. This one is called Coast to Coral. And let me open it and show it to you because it's gorgeous. And Colourpop is a really good makeup line. This does not have a mirror, but look how pretty that is up top there. And then these are the colors. Gorgeous, you know, bronze and copper and corals. Beautiful colors there. So that will be part of the giveaway. And if you are interested in this giveaway, say girl, G-I-R-L, okay? you know, the comment picker is not working very well. But that way I'll know that you're interested in being in the giveaway, because some people just come by and say, you know, I'm just here for support. And then I won't, you know, if I, the comment picker now wants you to pay to put in a word, which I won't do. So I'll just pick someone from the comment picker and see what they say. And if they don't say the word girl, then I won't think that they want to win. How's that sound? But we'll put you a few little things with it, whether you choose this or whether you choose this. So there you have it. Let me know what you think of these bags. And again, I'll have WISKF's website below. And don't forget to use my discount code. Even if they have other sales going on, they still allow you to use the discount code. It's MARY05off. That's what it is. That I'm correct on that. And if I'm not, it'll be in the description or in the title as well, okay? Thanks for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings. And I hope you enjoyed this. I really enjoy this company. They have beautiful things and a lot of gift ideas. And they just they really like me. So thank y'all. It's because of y'all. Because y'all must be buying and using my code. I don't get anything for that. What I get are these things. And I try to share them with you and put them in giveaways and things like that. You may get something that I never, you know, showed in a giveaway, but I do pass a lot along and I share them with family and friends. And because, you know, I'm just one person to have all these bags, but I just love to share with you. And I love to grab something whimsical once in a while. And this is too cute. This is, you know, I've shown you a bag or two like this before that have been like a leather, a PVU, is that what they call it? But this is like straw, but it's that plastic kind, so you can easily wipe it off. If you know you're out and about, you have this on, you have some ice cream and plop, you can wipe this right off. So, but it's really pretty, the rainbow going on there, the rainbow colors. So thanks for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings. And thank you so much to WISKF for letting me keep showing your beautiful products. I appreciate it very much. Bye, y'all. Count your blessings.